Hello everyone, welcome to our part 1 video of our CTC tea campaign, and in today's video we are going to talk about the two initial steps which are very important in the processing of CTC teas. The two steps are withering and rolling.
The first step in CTC tea processing is withering. Freshly plucked tea leaves are spread out on the withering trough and left to wilt for several hours. During this process, the leaves lose moisture, become more pliable and supple, and develop a characteristic aroma. The withering process is as critical as it helps in breaking down the cell walls of the leaves, making them more susceptible to subsequent rolling process.
Step 2 is rolling. After the withering process, the tea leaves are rolled using a CTC machine. The CTC machine consists of two large serrated rollers that rotate in opposite directions, crushing, tearing and curling the tea leaves. The rolling process is critical in producing CTC teas as it gives the tea its characteristic smell, hard and dense granules.
We hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video where we're going to talk about the next two steps of the CTC manufacturing.